Come here, little guy. We got another nut for you. Come on, little britches. Come on. There you go. How's that? No, I got another one here. Another one? Here. Here. There you go. Yeah. Take that. Take them coming in. Come on over here. Come on over here. Hit your butt. Come on. There you go. That ain't too bad. Let me get you another one. Let me get you another one. Here's another one. Here. Here. Take that. There you are. Here. Let's get you another one. Come on. Come on in here. Come on in here. There you go. So right there, I got another one. I got another one here. You can fit another one in those teeth. Come on. Take them back. You got room for one more? Here. And stay out of my sunflower seeds. Those are for the birds. You get hand-fed peanuts. Stay out of my bird feeder. I'm all out of nuts. I'm all out. I'm going to have to bring some more. I'm going to have to get some more. You ate me out of the house and home. And got them all in storage here. Take it on back to your house.